Hi guys, I don't know, it's your boy Anthony, the crazy Jamaican boy, back again for another episode. And today I have my lovely guest, my special guest, Tatanya Wilkins. Tatanya, how you feeling?
I'm awesome.
You're awesome?
I'm feeling great.
You're feeling great?
Yes.
All right, so you ready to answer all the questions I have for you today?
I hope so.
All right, you'll be fine. So Tatanya, we go way back, we go way back. Tell the people them now.
From my idea mini. Well, from my idea mini, cause yeah.
Yeah. So we know each other from high school days
Yeah.
and thing, you know what I mean? And it's been a while since we kinda catch up and just,
Big people things get way,
Yeah. Straight up.
Mhm.
So tell the people them about yourself now, man. Give a quick 30-second introduction.
30 seconds. Okay. I'm Tatanya Wilkins. Hi guys. A business woman, mostly. I do accounting as well on the side. Mostly business. Yeah, basically anything business, me that.
So tell her about the business now.
Okay, so I have
She need to bring some soap for me, people. Some soap and some beard oil and ear oil and nothing. She come empty-handed.
Yeah.
What kind of something that? But I'm gonna drop her thing in the description so you guys can go check it out, guys. It's good stuff. All right.
All right, so I have a lash business, guys. I have a lash business. I do facials.
Hey, the facial stuff?
Yeah.
Nobody know that. All right. Tell me more.
So the lash is the facial, basically. Yeah. And then for the soap side of it now, the product line, I want that to expand and be big. Overseas, Amazon, the whole works. I want it to be really big.
Okay.
Because when I retire, that's what I want to do.
You want to do full time?
Yeah. I want to be sending out packages, cases or stuff and whatever. So I make soaps, organic soaps, no artificial stuff in them. I make beard oils, body scrub. I'm trying to expand to the face mask, other stuff. The whole beauty line.
Alright, so it's a whole beauty
and the
brand
hair
type of
growth
thing.
stuff.
What's the name of the beauty brand though?
Totally You Organics.
Alright, Totally
On
You
Instagram.
Organics. I'm gonna put the links in the description. Alright, guys. So you guys can just check it out and place on the orders, alright? So Tatanya, it's been a while. How is life?
Life has been lifing.
So tell us more about
But it
that.
has been good. I can't complain.
Mm.
Work mostly, business, doing what I need to do. I want to retire at 40, so I have to be working.
You want to retire at 40?
Yes, and I'm going to be 30 this year.
Oh shoot,
So I
damn.
have 10 more years to go.
Damn, listen.
Because when I start having babies,
Listen, all the best with that. Do your time so hard right now. I feel like them I forgot soon. I forgot raise the retirement age.
we can't go no more. We cannot go
I
no
feel like them
more.
I forgot start raise it to you see right now at 60, 65. It's soon have to be 70, 75, all 80. You know see them, you know see other countries all like extend it. Because times are just getting so hard, man. Like it come like everybody have to work, All the dog have to get a
Definitely.
job. Everybody like gone are the days where one person could just, go work the cheddar, come in, pay the bills, them and everything, the wife looking nice, the kids them going to school,
Right.
everybody. Right now,
And
everybody have to work. Everybody have to work. The wife can't sit down and play housewife no more. She have to go work. The picnic them all have to work. The
Yeah.
dog have
I
to
know,
work.
right?
Everybody have to work. Like the economy is just so bad right now. Tell me
The
about
other
it.
day I told somebody that I do 2 jobs. They're like, "Are you in Jamaica?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm in Jamaica." What you mean? It's only foreign people do 2 jobs.
I feel like because in Jamaica we don't really have a culture of having like part-time jobs, if you know what I mean. Like a lot of times it's like they have one job, that's it. You might have a little side hustle on the side. Like you
Right.
probably know some people probably run Uber. Or
Right,
them will run like little side
Yeah,
hustles,
stuff.
but like it's not common for like Jamaicans like to have another job outside of their main job. You know what I mean? So that's
I was gonna
why
do the other job full time
along
and
with
have 2 full-time jobs.
oh shit.
Yeah, but it never worked out the way how I wanted it to. But yeah, I was gonna have 2 full-time jobs
Yeah.
along with the businesses. That would be crazy, but
That'd be really crazy.
yeah, I started off with 2 full-time still until I cut it down to
Take to cut it down.
part-time. The second one to part-time.
Okay, wow. I mean, that's a lot. Like, listen to me now. I know say getting to the bag is the goal, but we can't kill ourselves in the process. You have to take care of ourselves too.
Right.
You know what I
But
mean?
I'm gonna tell you, as I was mentioning before about me running the restaurant,
Mm-hmm.
I was doing that because when I just started, it was very tiring. But getting into the whole doing all of that, and I had to wake up at like 4 o'clock in the morning, and I don't go to bed until like about 9. Doing that, I think it kind of grew me. So right now, if I'm at home, like say on the weekend I'm at home,
Yeah.
not doing anything, I am miserable. I have to be doing something.
You have to be doing something.
Yeah.
All right.
So doing the 2 jobs don't really trouble me. I feel comfortable doing the 2 jobs, and then now having no kids, not nobody to go home to. I live alone, and everything is like I don't feel any way.
All right, I'm gonna bust your thing now. But before we roll the camera, you said you're gonna be moving in with someone special, correct? All right. So how that work out now? How you balance you being a workaholic, because you are a workaholic? How you balance with that with your love life?
He knows me to be this type of person, right? So I don't think it's gonna make a difference. I still do what I'm supposed to do, like because he works too. I mean, and he does other things as well. Him have him time and him go hang out with him friends and whatever. And us just moving in now, so he knows how I am and my life is before us coming together as one. And I think he's comfortable with me doing all this. I don't know how it's going play out when we actually moving together, but it is pretty good right now. I guess I forgot the most of the people with the meal prep and them something there. So I have to come cook for no man and them things there. I forgot the
Suppose the man say, hey, me don't want overnight food. Oh, that's how I go.
No, sir. I'm not gonna say so. Him say me work hard and thing and my thing. And
also, he's a considerate guy.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
And him not like the clingy type. You know, oh yeah, for there and whatever.
Question, all right? A next question too. Because a long time you come and do that interview, you know.
Yeah.
Was he a reason why it took a while for you to come and do the interview?
No,
Oh,
to be honest. No.
No. All right.
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm positive.
All right. I'm glad we get that shit out of the way, man, for real. But yeah, man, you know, and also to, you know, guys, like I know this girl from high school. And, you know, just to see the type of person she really grow into, just to be so confident and just, you know, have her several businesses, you know, just all lined up and just doing her thing. You know, I'm proud of you. I can look in your face, I can say I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Yeah. You know what I mean? I love to see your growth as a person, just kind of doing your thing and, you know, just shell down the place.
I love it here. Same too for you. It's a promise ring. It's not an engagement.
Hey, my fans, you know, my fans, they look for the ring. I say, wait, what a ring?
Yeah.
What a ring, so?
You'll be invited to the wedding.
I'll be invited to the wedding? All right.
It can be.
All right, Rob it on video, guys. I am supposed to be invited to the wedding. All right, cool.
Have it on video, guys. He's supposed to be the godfather of one of the 5 kids.
Oh, wedding vlog! I'm the godfather. All right, cool. Need that godfather position, no problem. But yeah, man, I'm really proud of you, man. You know, man, forget. I said to me, it's very important, guys, to give people them flowers when they're still alive. You understand? So if you have your friend, your virgin, you see them I do good, nobody keep that shit to yourself. Give them flowers while them alive. Tell them how you feel about them. Big them up while them still there. You understand me? I say, now wait till them 6 feet in the ground and then you want to come say, boy, my brother this, my brother that. Them not there for hear it. Look your friend in your eye, look your family, anybody who you rate certain ways and you see them are going good, big them up, straight, right in them face. Yeah,
I love it too. I love to see what I see on the Instagram.
Yeah.
Man. It's a good look. It's a good look.
Straight up.
And all them things. It's a good look.
That's a try a little thing, you know. That's a try a little thing. One day maybe me get my little leading man role and thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. Up, yeah. But yo, I have quite a bit of things, you know, where we sip on the gram, the socials and all them stuff there and thing. You know, in particularly there's a Jada Kingdom. You know, I'm gonna play the recording for you guys, just in case you haven't heard it.
Mom, can you help me out with something, please? So is my mom. And I'd rather help her. My mom is too. She needed more than you, I promise. Me I save my money. Come live to me 100. But then I'm nothing I give me that I tell you no. Now look, one buck clot and give me enough for put on. To the blood clot, I take care of it down and tomorrow. No. I don't fucking care. Go ask somebody else. Fuck you, bitch. I done stuff that will be gonna know by 2026. The last help I helped was for the storm last year. Even though it was anonymous, I just did what I had to do whenever one my name or my face upon nothing. All this competition shit had nothing to do with me. I did what I had to do and I got the fuck and I moved on. 2026, though nobody asked me for shit. I don't give a fuck. Go sell that cooch. The fuck?
What you think about that? When you hear that, what you think?
So first thing, everybody knows that Jada my girl still.
Oh, you love Jada?
I love Jada. I love Jada. I want to meet Jada.
All right, cool.
Yeah, I love Jada.
All right.
I know all the Jada songs. But speaking in general, no. Honestly, I probably don't like the way how she deal with the situation, but I can understand because remember we are human beings and probably there is a situation that happen for her to be reacting like that because we do it sometimes as people. Oh, this one person crossed me or something, so guess what? I'm not gonna help nobody else. One person make it bad for everybody else. So probably that's. But I think it could have been dealt with better than that still. Or probably just don't come to that. Because it kind of sound harsh. In the video, it sound...
I'll tell her to sell pussy.
Harsh. Yeah, and them things. It's so harsh. Because remember, everybody have come from humble beginnings and things.
All right.
So
I feel like I have a very unpopular opinion, right? And I'm not a Jada fan like that. I mean, yes, she's talented. She have some good songs. I can give her that. But I'm not really like a fan like that. But I can say this unbiased, like with an unbiased view. People need to stop feel comfortable at big people.
yeah, that...
You know what I mean? As in, you don't know this girl from nowhere at all. You know what I mean? And then the thing is, you know, we always have this mindset, say, them celebrity, them rich.
Right.
Let me tell you something, people. Enough of them celebrity, them not have it. Some of the time, them are you more have it than them. Them would have more look it from you. Right? And then we have to also understand too, you know, the music industry is not like how it used to be. Like back in the day. You understand? I feel like the artists them used to make money back then. You say no, you don't think so too?
Well, I'm not sure. I don't really dabble into that side, so I don't really know how that go.
Alright, you see, because with streaming now, everything is all streaming now. That's how most people consume their music. And for tell you the truth, the artists them not really make much of a streaming. Them not really make much of a fight. As opposed to you going on iTunes or you're going on this and you know what I mean, and buy the thing. So none of them artists are really making. And you have to also remember too, you know, stage show not really a keep like one time. Where the artists could have probably make all a nice money off of one stage show like that. That's so. So really and truly enough of them artists here live off of bookings. Now, me don't really know Jada Kingdom situation like that.
Right.
But how much bookings is she really getting? You understand me? I say, for be able to can help every Tom, Dick and Harry in Jamaica.
Family and everybody.
And plus family and all of them stuff there. So I can kind of understand that. You understand? People need to stop be begging. TikTok, in my opinion, I feel like TikTok promote a begging culture.
Yeah, definitely.
It make people just feel like them can just beg. Aye, send me a money gun.
Everybody do it and them make money. Oh, why can't I do it? Like
yeah,
people make videos like that. Oh, that person they can go and say taps and roses, guys, and them get so.
Yeah.
Let's quit our 9 to 5 and do this.
Yeah, and funny, and then if I also too, you know, you do have creators that have quit them 9 to 5 really and them end up make more money a beg on social media. So if me now as an average youth see this, they just say, well, why the hell me I go school for? What me I go school for?
You can wake up anytime and
what me I go school for?
On live and do
you understand what I say? Okay, if you even see you have so many people out there, college grads, you know, them are struggle for find job. And then if them do find a job, them not really earn that much money compared to some of these TikTokers. Like some of these TikTokers, them not have no formal training, them not gonna school,
right.
And yet still them can buy these luxury vehicles, them can travel like so. It
yeah, the logics behind it. Them are say
that. You understand me, I say? So me look on it like that. I'ma just feel like say it kinda rough. So just. I don't like the begging thing. I'm gonna be real completely honest with you. I don't like the begging thing.
Because I have no luck. I have no luck, so I'm easy for sharing.
Listen, me easy for share. Me worse. Me not like share, man. You understand what I mean? Me not like it. I me not think it look good neither. Me gotta be real with you. Me not think the begging thing look good.
Yeah, man, it take guts.
Me personally feel like
That thing.
there's nothing wrong with hard work. And as a matter of fact, there's nothing wrong with working smart. Forget where you want. You understand what I mean? I say? Me don't like if you stretch out your hand and say, hey, you know, I want this,
Yeah.
I want that. You understand what I mean? I say? And then also too, I feel like there's a lot of entitlement too. You understand? Some people feel like, oh, you make money, you know, me not have it. You're
Yeah, so
me
you-
entitled
to
to get
what you
your
have.
money. And it not works so. When if you cut out that little mentality them and a little dirty mentality there, just because a man work and get him money and he might live good and comfortably, him not entitled for help you where I struggle and I stress out and can't afford to pay your
Sometimes we all
bills.
think people live comfortable, but them have them stress. Them just now come to
There you go.
Them are stressed. Them
There
just
you
put out
go.
Them best face.
There you go. That's how I look at it too. Now, Jada, now the delivery did wrong.
Yeah, I think.
And then
so.
also
Out
too-
of frustration, I don't know.
But you see, the next thing to is though, why she could have just ignore it?
That may I say.
You understand? You know how much comments me get more well? Where bring me
I
down?
guess she's that type of person, right? She's that type of person where she go see things and say whatever and do the whole.
I get that
clash and
still, but
cuss and-
see my thing you're doing now. Yeah, you can be that type of person, but remember you're a public figure. And
Jail no
people-
business. You know, last year there was a clash with she and Stefan. Was last year?
no man, that different. That different.
I mean, at the same thing. It's just that it's why them are artists and them are.
No
whatever.
man, to me that different, you know. When you clash with another artist, another public figure, another celebrity, alright, that's fine, you know, whatever, cool, you do your thing. But we're talking about this unknown person who is probably a fan of you, and you feel lash out on them like that, it don't look good.
Probably is out of frustration as well.
I get frustration,
And then
you know.
probably is a previous situation that happened,
But
as men say.
But here's my thing though, even if it's out of frustration, does that make it right?
No.
Alright.
But I guess people deal with things differently. And people don't know. Some people don't know how to deal with
Alright.
anger.
But here's this thing though, Tatanya. Sometimes when people frustrated, then start going and shoot up the place. Does that make it right because they're frustrated? Exactly. So that me I try to show you.
But
Me not think
we're
it
human
right.
being and we deal with things differently.
Well, I mean, I guess we deal with things differently, but then you have to be prepared for the backlash that comes
Yeah,
with it. You know what I mean? Like you have to just
Yeah,
know what you
prepare
do.
for it. I guess Jada is my girl anyway. But I think she's always prepared. Yeah, she have something to say after whatever is said.
Okay.
Yeah, I think
Alright,
so.
Jada, I see you meet your fan, them, man. Give her 2 tickets to come see at your latest show because she defend you hard. Straight.
Jada, man. Jada song, man. Every Jada song.
Yeah, what's your favorite Jada song?
Every one of them.
One favorite song from her.
Lord, that shit, but no, come my brain blank. And
But tell you about them fake funny, you see? Them fake funny. So it's bust a song. Tell me the favorite
Jesus.
song for
Why? Call me Maxine. Call me pretty like bunch of roses. Man, I run me down more than 1,000. Alright. Stop it there.
All right.
That's every girl want me a Maxine right now.
True.
Yeah.
I don't think I know that song, by the way.
One of the latest songs.
I want to latest song them. Okay. Well, you know, Jada, I'm not against Jada. I think Jada is she's a good artist. She's very talented. Very talented. She have some good vocals and thing there.
Anytime I'm down, I'm want to lift my spirits. Yeah, man. I me I drive. I'm gonna the car. Yeah, man. Turn on Jada straight through.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. Every Jada song I know. Like crazy.
Cha-ja.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Anytime me down, I'm want to uplift my spirits. Yeah, man. I just play Jada.
Okay. All right.
I don't
Jada
think
does
she
have
will.
that effect there.
Yeah. Come up play like a Shensia, but probably not every Shensia me like. And then me play a spice, but not every spice me like. But when I play Jada,
Why you try to start a war
yeah,
yourself
no,
now?
I know, right?
Why you try to start a war yourself for now?
Jada is just my girl. So.
Yeah, but ultimately though, the reigning queen of dancehall is Lady Saw. I'm just saying.
Boy, that wasn't my era still.
So yeah, you call me old? You call me old?
You know what I mean? That's all.
Just by a year?
After true?
Yeah.
I don't know. Probably them time, them never. Oh, I think them time when Well, guys, I don't backslide, but them time I'm in a church, I preach and like,
Oh, you need a church.
I was preaching at
I
14.
preach. So what going now?
Boy, no. Boy, I don't want to look bad. But I know where you think still. But the church that I was heavily involved in,
Yeah.
my mom moved us from there, and that's how I started going to the gospel chapel.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's a brethren church, so it's only man can go up on the stage and do stuff.
I never know that.
So females can go up there, you can sing, even if you're gonna do, say you're a lead singer or you can sing pretty well, but a man that can sing have to be the lead. He has to be up front. You can't have a female up front. And I asked them if I can preach. They said, oh, you can only come to like if you have a woman's group thing or something, you can participate there, but not up front to the congregation and stuff.
That's great. I've never heard. I never knew that.
So it just break my spirit. I'm just like, I'm just there. I started doing sign language and thing though, and teach the kids sign language and stuff. But then becoming an adult, start working and stuff, I got too busy and thing. So I just go to church every now and then. But I used to do dancing, sign language, preaching, everything.
Yeah. The church there?
No, Harbor View Open Bible.
Oh, okay. So what going after that now? You find man and left it.
After the church, after church answer?
Yeah.
No, I was just working. I started working when I was in lower six.
Lower six.
Somewhat of lower six, going into upper six. And then I got a summer job.
Oh, okay.
When it was September to go back to school, because of my whole living situation, my mom and stuff, she never can sustain everybody. And so I started doing the job now. You can say probably full time, because after school I just went to work and come home at 9, then school again and work again and everything. So yeah.
Oh, okay.
And
so
I was doing that for 10 years at the restaurant.
Oh, and just took a toll.
Yeah.
Took a toll and then you just kind of like, you're too busy. Oh, okay.
But I go to church now and then. I've been there for a while now though. But yeah.
I wonder why.
Nothing specific. I'm just working, guys. I'm just working.
Wonder where you work. I don't remember. Anyways. Yeah. So how's your mom though? Your mom?
She is good. I went to look for her yesterday.
Yeah?
She's awesome.
She's awesome. Okay.
Yeah, I should say. Yeah.
All right. I want to kind of touch on that too, because I know that like, just when we used to go to high school, you did kind of have like a very complicated relationship with her.
With my mom.
Yeah. So is it a case where it's gotten better like now?
Better. Better. I would say, yeah, I still don't really, cause based on our relationship was right and stuff, I would talk to her, but I probably get irritated with her very easily. I'm trying not to. I'm still trying to, and get past the whole abusive side of the childhood days and stuff. But that's why I had to leave at an early age and started working and stuff. But I've gotten over that. I've gotten over it.
Yeah.
And I'm being intentional with our relationship. And yeah, so I would say, because when I left at 17,
Yeah, 17.
I did not talk to anybody for about 5 years. And then we just reconnected. I never have a phone or nothing in those 5 years. And then I reconnected and thing. And yeah, I would say, because we have family gatherings after that and something. So yeah, I would say it got better.
Got better.
Yeah. Not where I want it to be, but it has gotten better than what it was in the childhood days. Yeah, I would.
I'm glad to hear that still, though. I'm glad to hear someone kind of like improve the relationship and thing. Because I think I saw a picture with you guys on social media. I must just see like when they smile and, good spirits. I guess you guys at a party or whatever. And it just made me feel good, coming from where like you used to tell me about her and then like, yeah. But so like, do you feel like there's some kind of resentment there though?
With my mom?
Yeah, do you feel so? Because like, that's
probably in a way.
Yeah.
Where I get irritated at her very easily. Based on her, not even for say fear communication skills and stuff. Like she's not a person we can probably reason with. Like how we can hold a conversation and you probably not be by or something and we can talk and you will whatever. Yeah, it's not that type of thing. So sometimes we start talking and we just get irritated and I'm like, okay, I want to go now.
I understand, man. I feel like a lot of people kind of struggle with that. You know what I mean? Especially like especially from like a Caribbean like perspective with like growing up with like the mom and dad, because I mean I didn't necessarily have like the best relationship with like my parents, so like what I mean. And I think, if, especially in particular my mom, I think we've definitely gotten better as the years progress in terms of like communication and just being able to just respect each other. Because I think maybe my mom had a kind of difficult time seeing me as an adult, as like what I mean. So she probably feel like she could have kind of still talk to me and treat me like a child. And then I think eventually we got to that place now where she kind of recognized me and see me as a big man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I think our relationship has definitely gotten better. And even with my dad too. Like, you know what I mean? Like, we never had the best relationship
Right.
growing up at all. Like, it wasn't the best. I can say that much. I feel like this topic is something we can go really deep in, like literally, because
I kind of forgive my mom
kinda forgive
very
her.
quickly with the whole thing, because I understand why she was probably angry and stuff, because she had a rough childhood. And it's like, I don't know, some people like they had a rough childhood and they say, oh, I don't want my kids to go through that. But then she was the opposite. Like, she did the same thing that her parents did to her that she did not
Like
like.
that
I'm like,
cycle.
why would you do that? If you never like something for yourself, why would you do it to your kids? You get me? But I guess that's how people interpret things and how people do things. I understand. And she was also being abused as domestic abuse. I saw it with my own eyes. And I understood, because it was very rough. And I understand. And I'm like, okay, I see what my mom went through with that. And I'm not going to allow no man to do that to me.
Yeah.
So I kind of forgave her.
You finally forgive her.
Yeah, because I understand. And dealing with 3 kids, one job, being abused and everything. The money probably can't stretch for maintain everybody and so I kind of understand. So I never really hold nothing against her.
Wow, that is just that is just so deep.
Yeah.
For you to be able to kind of like empathize with her and like kind of see like, hey, my mother had it rough.
Yeah.
Like, she had it kind of rough and things, so you can really look past the abuse and how she probably treated you, and then when you can have a good, that's honestly, I love that. I love that.
Yeah, man, I understand.
That's
And I think my other siblings don't understand, but I don't know, probably because I
You're
was
the
the
big
older
sister.
one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so probably me would have more understand why she behaves certain way
acted
because
out like
of
that.
what she's going through. Understand? Because I think they kind of resent her, but yeah.
I mean, I can understand still, you know what I mean? Because I think for me too, I did have some resentment towards like my parents growing up, you know what I mean? Because I feel like just in certain situations, I felt like it could have been dealt with better. But then I think when I I kind of look at the circumstances, like the tools that they were given, and just how they were raised as well. They didn't really have a lot to work with.
Right.
You know
So
what
they're
I
doing the
mean?
best that they
So I think they really did the best that they could. You know what I mean?
Right.
Because like just even situations like my father was like working and doing what he needed to do at such a very young age. I think 13. He was supporting
wow.
his mother and his other like younger siblings. So when you grow in an environment like that and then you have to deal with stuff like that, like that's a kind of affect. You're not gonna really have the type of skills for deal with like a child. You know what I
Right.
mean? Like you kind of learn as you
As you
get
go
old.
along.
You know what I mean? And I think just by really looking at all of those things, I can kind of be like, you know what? I forgive you guys. I forgive, all the when me used to go through as a child. Like, that's just the mindset I had to kind of shift to, you know what I mean? Because we're not all perfect. Nobody's perfect. And, we'll turn out all right.
Yeah.
They're not the worst.
Yeah.
You get me? And I think they did that. I don't question that they loved me. I never question that they loved me at all. But them do the best they can do. Me not dead. I feel like me alright. Like me know it could have been worse. You
Yeah.
understand me? I say so I can kind of look beyond, certain things that happened in my childhood and just kind of push through and just move on. You know what I mean?
Right.
Because them did love me. Me not question that, and them definitely did what they needed to do for take care of me
Right.
and just support me certain ways.
Right.
As me I say, so I give thanks for that. And you can't really hold grudges.
Right.
I feel like if you are gonna grow as somewhat of a fully functional adult and person and really kind of progress in your life, you can't really hold on
Yeah, you
on
have to
grudges.
forgive.
You have to kind of find a forgive and then just. I feel like that's the only way you're gonna really kind of
Get
reach a
past
certain
things.
yeah. So some look on it too. Like I always try in a this life, I'm try if no grudges at all.
Right.
You know what I mean? Because them some the age yo. And I say me look nice people. Look how we look nice, man. Shit. Look how we look nice. Look how we look nice. We can't keep the grudges, man. We have to just try for kinda, just put it one side.
Yeah.
Deal with it, handle it in your own way, of course, whether is it through therapy or is it through, whatever, right? As long as it's healthy, as long as it's a healthy coping mechanism.
Yeah.
And just push through and move on. You see me?
Yeah, just forgive and just left that person at one side. You just know say you past that.
Or that too.
Yeah.
That too, yeah. Alright guys, so I wanna play a game with Miss Tatanya Wilks here. And this will be hot take or cold take. So hot take is whether she agrees, cold take is whether she disagrees. Alright? So we have quite a bit here. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's see.
You'll be fine. Alright, so first one. Dancehall today is worse than her early 2000s dancehall.
Because you see, because I never listen to dance all them time there. Cold take.
Really?
Yeah, me not really.
You think that dancehall of 2000s dancehall is terrible than compared to what's putting out today?
Me never listen to dance all them time there, so me not know. I mean, the little thing them when me hear now, where them long time ladies saw and
No, ladies are
whatever.
more like, so you think you think this current
Me don't
dancehall is
know,
better?
I think so. Probably not the whole scamming and chopping and what them say. This and that. But I mean, dancehall wasn't really my thing them time there. But as me say, I mean, I like the songs now. Probably because I know a lot of them time there. That's all
Them are
I
gonna come
mean.
for you. That's how I said. Them are gonna run in
come
for
for
you.
The lady song. So who else me know from Spice? Spice I sing long time. I mean, who else me know?
Jesus
Me don't know them
Christ.
dancehall song there from them time there.
I see no dance before, but
Oh,
I never
yeah,
seen
them
a dance
better.
like this.
Oh yeah, them there too. Probably not remember, but I mean, them they nice too. Oh yeah, true. Like me I tell. Them they nice too for when they at party and thing. Yeah. But me not know. I think me like the song them now. Probably more like leaning more to the female artists more than the male artists. But
They're gonna come for you. Jamaicans complain too much but don't vote enough.
I never voted yet, you know, guys. I don't think I'm gonna vote.
Why?
I'm not really not the politics scene, but even though it affects me too. But I never know if
So you don't think you should
people
exercise the
vote,
right
though?
to vote?
I think so.
But you've never voted.
No.
And you're about to be 30 this
And
year.
I don't really me not really feel like me need for vote either. I don't know. But I should vote. But in a really I think I'm gonna say, I need for vote and thing. But
I feel you.
yeah, it's not either here nor there for me. But the Prime Minister, I think he's doing pretty well. I think so. Guys, I'm not JLT nor PNP. But I'm just looking at who is doing what for the country. And I think Mr. Holness is doing a good job. Don't really follow politics and anything, but based on what I see and the development of the country.
Moving on.
Yeah, PNP.
I am neither.
It's so like mine, you know.
Most Jamaicans secretly want to migrate.
No, with the war we are going. I mean, I think so, but but that's everybody free.
Alright, we shouldn't even have joke about war.
And me afraid I know forgot it. But somebody asked me today if I want to come up and work. But I'm scared to go up there, I got stuck. So
Why we can't get a break? First it was COVID,
Yeah.
then something else.
and that was
didn't
like
know
5 years ago. No, so
I know a potential war or me say, but
but before the war though, people wanted to leave though.
yeah.
Yeah, but since this now,
You
people
don't
are
think
kind
so?
of scared now.
Jamaicans are some of the funniest people in the world.
Hot?
Yeah, I think so too. I feel like Jamaicans just make everything funny.
Yeah.
Too many Jamaicans are obsessed with American culture.
Hot.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I feel like we've gotten so Americanized.
Mhm.
Reggae music is dying.
Hot.
You
I
agree?
think so, yeah, I think so. Cause up here,
Fear what?
banging line and chopping line and
No one, that's a
I don't
dancehall.
think so.
That's a
But me not
dancehall.
hear much reggae music now.
Come to Protege. Lila Ike.
I don't tell me that you're not about Protege. When last them make new song? When last them make no new song?
He literally had a concert last year, a big concert with
Probably true, me not
sellout.
on that side of the world. I don't know, probably true, me not listen. But he has new songs or does the
Yeah,
same old song
he
them?
have new songs.
Oh,
Come to
true.
Lila Ike.
I love her though.
Oh, share reggae too. Share reggae.
Yeah, but me never hear she sing new song. The last song me hear she sing with the lady there from America. With the lady with them sing.
Her?
Yeah, that song there. She sing other songs?
Yeah.
Oh, probably true. Me not listen to her. Me don't know her. So the two of them
Jesse
are known
Royal.
first. Me know him. Yeah, me know him. But me not probably because me not listen to them.
Alright, so you don't really listen to reggae that much. So you
Probably
can't.
not. Yeah, but
Alright.
me not really I hear them a play upon a rhythm or nothing like that. I must dance all me I hear.
You must say dance like. So
yeah,
you do
so
think
probably
it's
that's
dying.
why me not. Yeah, me not think so. I the same old, I don't know.
Okay.
Like
That's
the dance all more a pop and you know, it's
Yeah.
more catchy and people are sing more whatever.
I feel. I don't know if it's still. And this might be. Enough people might disagree with me, but I feel like it kind of dying
Yeah, I think
in my
so.
opinion because I feel like
I probably I just me now hear the music.
me not really,
Me don't know.
you not really listen to reggae. I feel like if you're not really invested in it that
Yeah,
much, you're not gonna really to hear it like that. You understand me? I say, I feel like the general public not really listen reggae music
And
to all of that. You understand me? I say, me just a be real, and I feel like it gets so uptown too. Like I feel like enough of the artists them where run reggae now, them not really have that little hard rough look there, you know, when I normally used to listening for reggae music, you know, like, cause remember, you know, reggae normal, it was, I'm more say like the poor ghetto, them used to have the reggae thing, you know, now I just be here, like, it kind of feel gentrified now, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Me feel so.
Yeah, I think so. Me not
Yeah.
hear them. Me not know if they need to probably put it out on more platforms or what, but I'm not hearing the songs.
Hey, them a go bring me down, you say?
Probably not catchy enough because if it did catchy on some people,
Yeah.
it have a little buzz. People
True.
would have played it. But who am I to say? I mean, me not hear it still. so
Hey,
me
when the
not know.
people them a go done with someone. Men fall in love faster than women.
Cold.
You don't
I
think
think
so?
women fall in love faster than men. Because we have more emotions and stuff.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so. Woman fall, okay, you know, we go through emotions every day. Emotions
So you don't feel like
change,
men
change.
have emotions and them something too?
Not really, not more than women.
Alright, with me, I take your
I
word from
think
you.
so.
Alright. Social media is ruining relationships.
Hot. Well, in between, me not think it, but I think so, because people put out this way of living life and how you're supposed to,
Yeah.
you know, yeah. People don't take time to know their partners and stuff. They might go based off of what social media says or what this book says is supposed to happen. You don't take time to learn your partner and how this person is, learn to know the person and like, okay, this is what works for us. Everybody else say, oh, I'm supposed to buy my flowers, I'm supposed to give me this. Like, them are best thing, oh, I'm supposed to get push present when I have baby. Everybody want push presents, but the man that cannot afford that. And if him get a small thing, you don't want that, you want a car. You want a house. The man cannot buy a house and car, what do you mean? Yeah. So
It's true.
and
That's
they
true.
must get sushi after them give birth and all these things. Somebody want the whole niceness.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
You think so? All right. Fair. Cheating is more common than people admit.
Hot.
You agree?
Yeah.
Why?
Them probably just learn how to deal with it better now, but I think so.
I feel like they know to deal with it better now, you say?
Yeah. Yeah, them
Expand
learn
on
the
that.
in and outs what to do that them not get catch.
Okay. So that you think. You think it's
Yeah.
happening a lot, but it's just that them better at it now.
Because you might see somebody out there and think, like for instance, I probably see you and don't really know how your life set up and so on. I can say, oh, this is a nice, yeah, probably have your wife. I'm say, oh, this is a nice little marriage and something. But then somehow me get close and me know you as a friend now. I'm really getting to your circle and know how your life set up. And then me say, oh, you have your wife, but you have you have 10 side woman on the side. You have 10 woman on the side, I mean?
Yeah.
But seeing you, and I've seen many things like that. So I can tell you.
A man should always pay on the first date.
On the first date, hot. Yeah.
What if you not have it?
No go on a date then. Where you go? Stay within your means.
Stay within your means.
Yeah.
So don't date. So because I'm broke, that means I'm enough to find love?
No, but I mean, boy, if you not work on so nobody date. Nobody date even not work. So you must can carry the lady. And if you're interested in the lady, you must can carry go somewhere. Carry go somewhere where you know you can manage. And if you like her, you will make the sacrifice. Yeah. Spend a $10,000 for buy the food for two hours. I think that's fair.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't go on a date. Don't look the woman if you don't have the money, but you give the woman. Then as you look the woman, baby.
Good.
And then them want give people baby.
This is the last one. Oxtail is overrated.
Hot.
You agree?
Yeah.
Me think so too.
That's meat. I mean, I was some.
Hey, the people that
special
don't do it, the people that don't do it, but I agree too. I mean, I feel like I feel like it's so overrated and it's so expensive too much. Like nearly $2,000 for a pound. Ridiculous. Yeah.
True, me not look on a person shots still. I probably not eat it enough. Me don't know.
Yeah, it's pretty expensive on the expensive
It's not
side.
really. Oh, me not nothing. I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I think in this episode, the people I got class where I'm bringing them still, but hey, what can
Guys,
we do?
it's my opinion. I mean,
You telling people are business? Me make 2 videos, right? But my favorite, my top 10 best dancer in the male artists. Jesus Christ, the people them done me. I'm tell me about my mother. Tell me about my for dead.
Guys,
tell me about
take time with me. Take your time with me. Me not really know nothing. This is no professor.
hey, listen to me. Come out with all no one. We're bad. Tell them no. We're bad people. We're in a business.
In Brad for the tour. We go at team.
Straight. All right, guys. So that was the end of the episode. I think it was a great episode and thing. You see me?
Guys, I was scared.
You're scared for real?
See me as a chatterbox.
But I wonder if the rum and the Red Bull get you. All right, there you go.
Red Bull gives you wings.
All right, guys. So don't know, big up on yourself. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you leave a comment. And if you're listening on Spotify or Apple, you don't know to go. Leave a review and give us a rating, because that's how this podcast is going to grow. All right, guys. So till next time, see you guys soon. Big up on yourself.
Bye.